Hey guys, Greg here with Underground Graphics and Gian. We're going to talk about the 24 Mustang today. So it's been a while. We used to have a shop Mustang, loved it. It was a great car, and then we got involved in the Jeep and Bronco market, kind of took a turn for this. Last week we had a customer come in, we did our first stripe kit on that 24, and oh my God, did this thing blow us away. So we are super excited. We decided to go ahead and see if we could borrow one from Sterling McCall Ford. Thank you, Paul. And we've got this for a little while, and you know, Gian was a big part of this. He says, "Great, you know, that was a great Mustang. Why don't we get one of those back in here?" And thank you, Gian, for the tip. We're going to go ahead and do a stripe install on this one. And we walked around, and while we had that first one here, and then even having this one back, finding what all we could do to these things. And we've got a lot of stuff going on. Gian, what were all the parts we wanted to tackle on this?
So really wanted to touch on the protection side of it, not only just the graphic side, but we did come up with an idea to have a kit so that you guys can protect that piano black, because with this being somewhat of a lower to the ground vehicle, it will take a beating. Along with that piano black, we did do a protection kit for that hood grille, and of course the headlights, because those being LED are more than expensive than what they were before. So you definitely want to protect those. Moving on toward the back, we did do a kit also for those side markers, as well as the fender badge. And of course, we did door cups, so that way you guys that have rings or nails or something like that, you don't have to worry about that. Not only did we stay on the outside of the door, but we moved our way towards the inside and did these door seals. So for your shoes hitting that side skirt or that door seal edge right there, they is going to be protected. Now moving back even further, we did do a quarter panel window kit that we were working on as well. Just to be safe, we did do a PPF outline for that gas door. And of course, that does just press open, but if you never know, that same ring that might scratch your door cup might end up touching that gas door. Rear reflector as well, taillights. That one is going to look awesome, I think.
Yeah, these will not be yellow. We will be doing these in a dark smoke. And again, that was a very popular item on the last gen, so we're going to carry that over onto this one as well.
And onto the other popular items that were on the last generation that we haven't seen quite yet. We have this rear garnish between the taillights that will be in a black that will kind of look like that piano black that has been on the previous models, and a nice accent for that plate insert, along with the smokings for the reverse light and the upper brake light that is right underneath that shark fin.
And the reflectors. Look at those reflectors.
Oh, yeah.
Full, yeah, that'll be a full lens tint kit.
So lots of kits, lots of ideas. If we missed anything, then we, of course, will have it up on the website for you guys to be able to purchase. But we do think that this is going to look extremely mean.
These stripe kits, again, we've been known for our stripe kits on Mustangs, Challengers, Chargers, all those muscle cars. All these kits are cut to fit. So if you want to do this yourself, I wouldn't say super easy, but easier than doing this just without any kind of instruction. We are going to walk through on this next, do this dual stripe install. This is, for us, the classic. So that is our favorite stripe kit. We will be doing others as well, and again, we will have those up on the site. And that completes our Mustang. I'm sure we're going to have some more parts for this as well. And again, just stay tuned. Make sure to click those links and check content. We'll be having new stuff out weekly. So can't wait. Thanks, guys.